Alright, so before we show you how to zero in the XYZ, I'd like to show you how to use the Shopbot 3 software. So first, to get into it, you want to click the Shopbot 3 icon, and then on the right there is this control panel icon. You want to press that to open up the control panel. Then these arrows control the X-axis, these arrows control the Y-axis, and then these arrows control the Z-axis. Now if you want to zero the X and Y axis, what you press is the zero axis button, and then you click the X and Y to zero it once you put the bit in the corner where you want to zero it. And then if you want to zero in the Z-axis, you press the Z-axis icon, and then it will ask you to press, it'll ask you to say OK, and then it will start zeroing in the Z-axis.
So this is our finished piece of wood right here. We cut it out using a bandsaw. We're gonna now glue each corner individually and then the center, because we're gonna have 4 tabs, and we need each corner glued down in case of it flying off, and we need the center glued down because it's going to be its own individual piece. So we're going to take some hot glue, put it on each corner. Put some in the middle. Put this hot glue gun off to the side. This over, make sure it's level with the corners so you can zero. Glue that sucker down.
Okay, so first, how to turn on the Shopbot. What you want to do is you want to make sure that it is plugged in. Then you want to flip this switch up. First, turn on the key, and then turn this up like that.
Hi guys, I am now going to zero the X and Y axis on the Shopbot desktop. So first, you're going to make sure that the point of the bit is lined up with the left side of the wood. Then you're going to make sure that the next axis is lined up with the bottom. That looks about good. And then you will press zero axes, as you can see in our program video.
Alright, see, if you notice right here, we have a metal plate and we have this clip. So attach this clip to the collet nut, take this metal plate and put it right underneath. On the computer, you want to press the Z-axis icon. Then it's going to start zeroing in the plate. Then while you're doing this entire process with the Z-axis, or even with cutting, always make sure that you have things out of the way, such as this box, move it to the side, or if there's anything in this way, the way of the spindle movement, you want to put that to the side.